clock do, you fi bust the little girl. Bust the bumbo clock, little pitney, and stop make the little girl look bad on the internet. Of course, me did check. After Mrs. Fabi gone pan taxi, me jump in my car and cut. You fi bust the little girl. It was una downgrade the little girl and make the little girl look like fucking idiot on the app. And that me a defend. You bust the bumbo clock, girl. It's not about me and my pussy. And want me can fuck who me want fuck. And my pussy this. None of you can tell me what to do with my pussy. Instead of una embarrass the little girl, una bust the little girl. And that me a talk about. Una stray from the point. Una straight from the bumbo clad pint. Bust the little girl on the app. And stop embarrassing pitney on the app. And that me a defend. Or suck on the mother. All of you see me and beat me. Candy, Donia, Binds, the whole of you beat me. That you fi do. Me not chatting with you no more. Me not argument with you no more. When me a defend is bust the little girl and stop embarrass the bumbo clot girl. That me I say. Bust the bumbo clot girl. When you love empower man and make man win all the time. Make a girl win. When I stray from it. Bust the little girl. Bust the little girl. The little girl, the way down I saw make my ball out this. When if you push up the little girl in a blood clot ranking too. Let me see which part she there. Or suck on the mother. Bust the bumbo clot, girl. Like that me say.
Request for a long time.
No, baby. I answer your request.
Huh?
I answer your request, baby.
No, you haven't been accepting my request for a long time. You think I'm stupid?
Baby, you don't send me no requests.
Yeah, I sent you a request and then you rejected me. What the fuck?
When?
A couple of days ago.
I don't know nothing about that.
Not good. You got
I'm sorry, baby. But I don't do.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Okay, babes. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay. What you want to do today, baby?
You want to play match?
Okay. Is it punishment game?
No, I don't want to punish you today. I just want to curl my hair.
Okay. You want help?
Yeah.
I'm coming over now.
You lying.
Why you call me liar?
Okay, you come over here now.
Okay. Get my stuff. Hey, warm up the car. I'm coming now, baby. Should I wear thongs? Should I wear thongs or big pennies?
I don't know. Just come over here now. Let me see if you're not lying. You see? You see?
Oh my God. Anna,
Yes.
I come next week.
Lie. Thank you, Mel, baby. Lie.
How much game you want to play?
I don't know. How much you want to play, baby?
Baby, we play 2 games. Crazy stuff going on over here. I got to go.
What crazy stuff? You got any drama going on?
Yeah.
What drama?
This guy wanna me.
Okay.
And I con him and told him yeah, and then I changed my mind and he's upset and he's talking shit on the TikTok.
Which guy is that? I know him.
No. You don't know him.
Is he from Jamaica?
Yeah.
What is his name? I might know.
I don't call his name. I don't call his name on here.
I know.
He's not important.
Okay, tell me in my Instagram direct.
Okay.
Send his profile. No, don't send his profile. I can't see. Just tell me his username
Okay.
so that I go and search. I don't have Instagram on this phone. Send me when you send me. Tell me so that I go and I look on this
Why I
phone.
can't find you? You unfollow me?
No, I did not follow you. You're still in my ad list. Thank you, Mel, baby.
It's Anna.
Thank you, Rachel, baby. You sent me?
Guys, use a double, use a double. I can't find you. Oh, here you go.
His name starts with D.
Yeah, somebody mix up.
Thank
Guys,
you,
use a double.
Rachel.
Use a double my side.
They're saying in my comments, but I don't know if I know that person or not.
I know you don't know, baby. I know.
Now he's talking shit behind your back
Yeah, talking shit.
because you just didn't flirt with him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brandon! Brandon! Oh my god! Oh my god! Brandon! Wow, Brandon, what the fuck? The gift gallery got completed. The gift gallery got completed. That was my gift gallery goal.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Nice.
Thank you, Brandon, baby. Thank you. Guys, everybody W Brandon in the chat. Everybody W Brandon in the chat. Pa! Pa! Brandon, pa! Thank you.
Wanna push up the girl in our ranking, and that means we are 59. On the bus the girl.
Yo, controller. After this live, invite that guy over here. I know how to talk to him.
No.
Yes, I know how to talk to him, that he never ever in his whole life even mentioned you, okay?
I don't want him over here.
You bring him over here, I know what to
Abraham,
do.
what's up? I don't want him over here, Anna.
You listen to me. You bring him over here. I know what to tell him. Okay, I'm professional to how to talk to these kind of people.
Okay. I'm fine, Abraham. Okay. So when this game done, I'm gonna come off and go get him and come back.
No. You invite him here.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, I go and I send him invitation myself.
No.
Thank you, Brandon MVP. Guys, everybody, please W Brandon in the chat. Thank you, Brandon, baby. I do really appreciate it.